Hi, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by today. So in this video is going to be a walkthrough of my new Halloween album, and it's a magical Halloween. We are using the Simple Stories Say Cheese Halloween collection for this. And if you have picked up my kit for the autographs book, I'll just show you that real quick. I also have a walkthrough on here. I do believe all the kits are already sold out of this one, but I've created a Halloween version, so you're going to get the same exact tutorial. If you've already picked this up, whether it is in the physical form or the digital form, it's the exact same tutorial that I used to create the Halloween version. But if you like all the papers pre-cut for you, then I encourage you, go ahead and pick this up. I've already cut out almost everything. The only thing you're really going to have to cut are fussy cutting around the sticker. So you get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet with your kit, and also a 12 by 12 black cardstock sheet, and then you just make little collages with your stickers. And I do have step-by-step photos in the instructions that come with your kit on exactly what I did to create this if you want the exact same look. You'll receive the little photo mats. Now the white is the photo, so of course white is not in your kit, but all the little black pieces, these have all been cut for you. And I take you step by step how to put it all together. This frame, this is actually 5 pieces that I cut out and then just glued together. And I used the Art Glitter brand Designer Dries Clear liquid glue. So it just, when it dries, it's just really nice and sturdy. It's just beautiful and adds, by doing 5 layers, it really adds dimension. So those are already cut and come in your kit. You just have to glue them together. So as you can see, it's going to have the same look as the autographs album, but it's a really fun one to put together. And I'm not done with this tutorial yet. I'm coming up with some baby ones, and I have a recipe one I'm working on as well. And so I'll try to get those out as soon as possible. Again, it's the same tutorial. So if you've already done it and you don't necessarily need that collection, then you've already got the tutorial. But if you just want something nice and easy and fun to put together, and most of the work has been done for you, then I encourage you to pick up one of these kits. I will be linking the website below. Just click on that and you can purchase one of these kits as long as they are available. I do have a limited supply of these. Okay, I did go ahead on this one and I punched these. So I used an older punch by EK Success. It's really hard to see because I covered up a lot of it. I really can't see back here either. But anyway, it's kind of fun peeking through. It's a deep edge punch by EK Success. I believe it's called Pumpkin Patch. You may still be able to find it online somewhere. I'm not sure if it's been discontinued or not, but it was in my stash and it's an older punch. But I have gone ahead and sat and punched all of these for you. So don't even worry if you're worried about finding a punch. You don't have to worry about that. I've already done the work for you. Now you do get one 12 by 12 sheet of the orange cardstock that I used in case there's any mess ups or just anything, any mishaps that might happen. Everything's cut for you, so you don't have to cut any of the orange cardstock. That's just an extra sheet. But let's say you have a different punch that you want to use instead of the pumpkins, then you're more than welcome to go ahead and cut that out and then punch your own. So I did use foam squares on some of this, and that's in the instructions as well. I show you what I popped up there. But then in your pocket, we've got inserts, lots of photos. I believe this is 80 plus photos that you can put in here, and this will fit a perfect 4 by 6. So the orange is actually 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. So you just go right ahead and glue a 4 by 6 on there, easy peasy. And that's what I really love about this album, is it's just so easy to add your photos. And then this one should be a 3 by 4. Yeah, these are 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. So if you're able to print like 2 pictures on a 4 by 6, these are perfect for that, 3 by 4s. And then some of them you have to crop down. So this will hold a perfect 4x6 on each side. And then this is cropped down just a little bit smaller. So still print your 4x6 and then just trim it down a little bit. The inserts inside, you're going to get, there's 6 pages and they're all constructed the same. And you get a large insert. So this one, it's 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. So what I would recommend is go ahead and print a 5x7. Trim that 5x7 down to measure 4.5 by 6.5. Okay, and then you put that in there. Or you can do a little collage of smaller photos. You can use it as journaling, whatever suits your needs for that. And then I've added some of the stickers here. So I'm just going to go through quickly and show you each one so you can see all the fun decorative paper that this album features. They're so cute. I think these pumpkins are my favorite. It's just adorable. And this paper is double-sided. So if you go to glue your paper down and you're like, hey, I like the back better, go right ahead and glue down whatever side that you want to glue down. Everything is pre-packaged for you. So you have a baggie that'll say this bag is for page 1, this bag is for page 2, etc. So it's all really organized for you, really nice in your kit. And I'm always happy to help. If you have any questions while you're putting together, feel free to message me. You can shoot me a message through Etsy, or you can even text me if you have that information, which comes on my kit. So I'm always available. You can shoot me an email, but I do get so many emails, I may or may not see it. So I always recommend either a message through Etsy or text messages. I'm going to see those before anything. So anyway, that's it. That's the whole book. I hope that you've enjoyed this walkthrough. Once again, I will link my shop below. Go ahead and pick this up. They are limited. I literally have less than 10 in my shop available. So don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I post sneak peeks of upcoming projects almost every day. I've got all kinds of things going in the works. So thanks so much again and have a great day.